to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The exact value of 2 divided by 0.01. As mentioned in previous videos, if our divisor is a decimal, we're expected to rewrite it as a whole number before doing any division. So let's rewrite 0.01 as a whole number. It's 2 digits behind the decimal place. So I'm going to multiply by 100, right? And if I multiply the divisor by 100, I'm expected to multiply the dividend by 100 as well. So 2 times 100 is 200, and 0.01 times 100 is 1. And what is 200 divided by 1? It's just 200. Okay, I think this has it at the wrong spot. So this is not the answer, but indeed C. Alright, so it's not D. D is not the answer is C. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.